Okay, lagyan na natin guys ng soap. Ito yata yung ano, may shrimp siya. Yung imitation nga kuletan eh. Tapos lagyan natin ng carrots. Carrots, cabbage. Tapos soup.
Breaded chicken. Breaded chicken, Dave.
Yan.
That one every 3 days, Dave. Breaded chicken.
Ayan.
Breaded
Okay,
chicken
guys.
breast. Chicken breast, Dave. Every 3 days, Dave. Chicken breast.
Lagyan pa natin ng isang
No
shrimp.
more. I took that already. Chicken breast.
Ayan. Okay.
Oh, I took that out of the way. That's all skin. There's only one piece left. Chicken
Kaya
breast.
na.
Chicken breast.
Ayan. Lagyan pa natin ng
Don't be touching this one, Dave.
konting soap.
Number 1, number 2.
Ayan, guys.
Number 1, number
Okay.
2.
Tamad nang magluto kaya take out na lang
Lower calories.
ang ating kakainin. Ayan. Okay. Let's eat. Tikman din natin itong may sabaw, guys. Masarap. Ayan, may sabaw. Good. Meron din siyang ano, shrimp. Vegetable. Ayan. Ayan. Breakfast and lunch na po dito. Late kasi akong nagising.